Yo, what's good? So we are going to go over this Ethereum trade that I called out from our group that is looking really nice. So we're going to start off on the 4 hour, in which I already noticed that I'm having a buy bias. Why do I have a buy bias? Because we have this low that created this higher high that also broke above this higher low here, right? So at that point, I was already looking for buys. I then had these three levels, these two being my higher time frame levels or major levels, and then I have this smaller sub level here in which the market played off of. I then drew the fib from low to high, came down to my favorite zone, that's 786, 886. From there, dropped down to the 15-minute, and I just searched for a level, right? I just searched for a level that had multiple rejections, right? Multiple rejections. And so we see that here, here. And it's not going to always be perfect, but sometimes the wick might go past it. But you're just seeing that it's respecting that level, even over here and over here, right? So once it broke above, I called that entry. And this trade has a potential to get up to the high, being up a 5 hour potentially, right? Now there's some other trades that also set up pretty nice, such as, give me 1 second. Toshi right now has a nice little setup. Let me go to my alerts. Bonk, nice setup as well for a solid return. BCH, if it can break above this level, it still hasn't broken above it, but if so, a lot of upside. Morph, same thing, a lot of upside. Litecoin, that one will already be deep in profit. Entry would have been here. That's why I had this alert there. And it's literally right at that TP1. And I want to say APT. Nope, not APT. But yeah, all those other ones basically have super solid setups. Like I said, I honestly like, oh yeah, and BAT. Yeah, BAT had a solid one too. But all of them had the same exact setup. So like, there's nothing different between, you know, the Ethereum BAT. I'm looking for the same exact thing every single time, so I'm able to take advantage of it. So hopefully this Ethereum trade can make this push up, finish making this push up, hit TP1 and also continue pushing up higher. Oh yeah, and Bitcoin had a setup. That was the other one. Bitcoin ended up having a setup which already would have hit as well for a 1R, because I would have wanted it to break. I would have wanted it to break. It's down here, above here, this dotted line. I'll delete the zone, but this dotted line right here would have basically let me know like, hey, it's rejecting here, it's rejecting. And so it's just giving the signs, right? And this could have been, you know, 1 hour already hit, but it can go potential 3.4. So it's just like I said, it's so many cryptos right now that have that same exact setup, where it's just like, if you really wanted to, you could have been in multiple cryptos at once, right? So that's what I was looking at. That's the reason why I called out that Ethereum trade from my group. I also did enter a couple others on my own, but yeah, I just called out the Ethereum one. And so if you are interested in the trading group where you can learn, get signals, get updates for absolutely free, I will be dropping my Telegram group down below. If you like these videos, like, comment, subscribe. I appreciate y'all support. I'm going to continue to drop these videos daily, and I'll see you on the next video.